Hello everybody, I'm Candy. Welcome to my video. This video has records down what I have done at the PolyU IC training. Hope you enjoy it. On the first day, we have formwork session. We need to learn about some types of nails and screws. Also, we learned that different texture of formwork will result in different surface of concrete. Then we need to do a cube-shaped formwork. I fixed the plywood and then cut it into designed signs by using sharp saw. We connect the plywood by nails. Then it is done. After we get familiar with the techniques to do formwork, we are required to do a H-shaped formwork, following these instructions. We cut the plywood by using circular saw first. Then we connect the plywood by nails. So different parts of formwork are formed. Then we fix them together to make a complete. Finally, we tighten them firmly by using clamps, which work as tie bolts. Then it is done. The formwork will be used for concreting in later. On the second day, we have steel session. At the beginning, we have to learn a type of non-constructive test to test whether the steel have cracks or not. 3 types of chemical will be spread on the steel. After some time, if purple-red color is observed, that means that area had cracks. Then we learn about the method of welding to connect the steel members. As there are certain risks to perform welding, we are only allowed to observe the supervisor to demonstrate welding. Next, we learn how to cut steel by using this machine. It has sharp saw and run by motor, so it can cut steel easily. We also need to learn how to drill holes on the steel by controlling methods with the help of this kind of machinery. This one is another machine to drill holes. We will apply some lubricants during the drilling process. On the third day, we have structural concrete session. First, we mix concrete following the assigned proportion of water, cement, sand, and aggregates, and then put the mixture into cube bowl for later use. Then we need to make another concrete. First, we raise appropriate amounts of materials, and then put them together into the mixer accordingly to mix them well. At the same time, we have to design reinforcements for the concrete. Also, we need to coat a film of oil layer on the inner side of the formwork we made before. Go back to the concrete mixture. We need to do slump tests to find out the workability of the concrete. Then we pour the concrete mixture into the formwork and use the vibrator rod to compact the concrete mixture well. After compaction, the concrete will have less air voids. On the fourth day, we continue the structural concrete session. First, we need to remove the cube molds and obtain the cube made before. Then we put the concrete cube into the compression testing machine to determine the concrete strength of the cube that can obtain. After the test, we remove the H-shaped formwork to get the concrete made before. Our concrete has nice appearance on it, as it has smooth surface and less air voids. Then we need to learn how to fix the reinforcements for a beam. We need to calculate the data to find out the suitable size of steel bars for fixing reinforcements. Then we need to cut the steel bars in the appropriate length in order to make a link for reinforcements. After cutting, we can bend the bars into the designed shape. The process should be done by a superman who can apply superforce. Finally, a link is done. After that, we have to learn the fixing process for reinforcements. The steel bars and links and other accessories are provided. We need to fix the links at the suitable location that we calculated before. Finally, the bars are fixed by using soft iron wire. Some spacings are left at the bottom and the two sides in order to provide concrete cover for the bars to resist rust. On the fifth day, we have NDT session on the morning. We need to do rebound hammer test first. We need to calibrate the hammer and then draw grips on the surface of the concrete. And then 12 data will be bracket stamped. And we will find the median number amongst the data, and then check it with the graph on the hammer to get the concrete strength. Then we need to do recover meter test. We have to put the sensor on the wall and move it vertically or horizontally. The main bus or distribution bus location will be found out, and also the bus diameter will be found out. We mark down the location of the bus and diameter by chalks. Next, we need to do half-cell potential test, which will help to find out which parts of reinforcements are rust. The sensor head is saturated with water and then touch the wall to operate. Lastly, we need to do infrared thermographic tests. This way can reflect the wall's temperature and to determine which parts of tiles are loosened. On the afternoon, we have anchoring session. We need to learn how to install anchor onto the concrete. First, we need to drill a hole on the concrete. And then we can fix the anchor by the installing torque. After hearing a click sound, it is done. Or we can use hammer to fix the anchor into the concrete. Be careful to wash out your fingers. If too many anchors are installed onto the concrete may be broken. On the sixth day, we have brickwork and plastering session. We need to know how to do bricklaying. And then we need to learn how to do plastering on the wall. We may use dots for reference. And then we need to learn how to do tiling on the wall. Finally, we need to learn how to do plastering on the floor. Besides, we need to learn different types of brick or blocks. This one is lightweight one. The last workshop is scaffolding. We need to set up a falsework by ourselves, step by step, and follow the instructions by supervisor. For the building up of the upper layer, some students are required to go up to the top, and for building up another layer. Last but not least, the workshop finish. I like to attend the workshop. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.